LangChain is an amazing tool that lets developers build smart AI applications by connecting language models like ChatGPT with memory, logic, and even external tools. But how does it work? Let's break down the 5 core components that make LangChain powerful: LLMs, chains, agents, tools, and memory. First, we have LLMs, or large language models. These are the brains of the operation. LangChain connects to models like OpenAI's GPT, Anthropic's Claude, or Google's Gemini. The LLM is what understands your input and generates a response. But here's the thing on their own. LLMs are like super smart assistants that only work on one task at a time. Next, we have chains. Think of chains like a recipe or a checklist. Instead of just sending a single prompt to the model, you can create a flow of steps like Step 1, summarize this article. Step 2, translate it to Spanish. Step 3, send it in an email. Chains make it possible to combine multiple LLM calls in a logical, repeatable way. They're great for tasks that always follow the same pattern. Now let's talk about agents, one of LangChain's most exciting features. Unlike chains that follow a fixed path, agents are like smart managers. They make decisions on the fly. Based on your goal, an agent will look at the tools it has access to, decide what to use, and plan a strategy to get the job done. For example, if you say, find the current weather and write a tweet about it, the agent might first use a web search tool, then pass the result to the LLM to write the tweet. All of that is decided dynamically, no preset steps. To help agents work effectively, LangChain gives them tools. These are external actions the AI can perform, like doing a Google search, calling an API, running a calculator, or retrieving documents from a database. You can think of tools as the agent's toolbox. They let your AI go beyond just generating text. It can now interact with the world, access data, and even automate workflows. Finally, we have memory. Most language models are stateless. They forget everything after each prompt. But with memory, LangChain can store information from previous interactions. This is especially useful for chatbots or multi-step workflows. For example, if you tell a bot your name in the first message, it can remember that in later responses. Memory adds context, continuity, and a more human-like interaction. So those are the 5 key components of LangChain: LLMs, chains, agents, tools, and memory. Together, they allow you to build truly intelligent, flexible AI applications.